Priscilla Khambatta, and let's speak today on the team culture. I always say to my business owners, great team culture starts way before a job ad and not after the team member starts. So often business owners get to think, if only I had better people on my team, and they get stuck with the thought that, like diamonds, good people are rare to find. So rather than going through the ordeal of replacing a team, in majority of cases, business owners can learn how to turn their team into one of the high performance and well functioning teams through stronger leadership and improving their company culture and systems. So what I'm trying to say here is the company's culture starts and begins with the business owner. Yes, so the ownership lies with the business owner. Now, if you look at any successful sporting team reaching to the top and does it consistently, they're going to have one ingredient. And what is that? Their culture. So you can have the best strategy until the cows home, but if you don't have a great culture to bind them together, you aren't going nowhere. So most business owners that I come across have limited choices. I just said something, limited choices. So what does that mean? That the team can't operate when the business owner is not there. The business owner has to be there to keep control, a kind of control of their team. So this is a very crucial area in you being a true entrepreneur, that the team operates even in your absence. So you want to write this down. You get what you tolerate. Yeah, and very often business owners are tolerating too much with their teams. Okay, so I always say crappy culture, crappy business. Why is that? So what I mean to say is, in building your team culture, you need to get rid of gossip. Gossip destroys the organization. Number two, you need to have rules of the game to be a binding glue so that your business is strong and having a great culture. You come to a point where the team is running around the business owner and saying, hey boss, give me some more, okay? Or hey coach, give me some more. That's when you know you've got a 10 out of 10 on your culture. So that's very important, but I want to say to you that really doesn't happen in real life. Most business owners I've come across are way down on that particular scale. So I just want to say, do give me a call or send in a quick email to know more about culture for your team, how to build a culture for your team, and I guarantee you we're going to be looking up on ways to improve the culture and improving your business with you. Until then, all the best and keep winning.